tree plant, but he's got high hopes. He's got high hopes. He's got high apple pie in the sky. Hopes. So anytime you're feeling low, instead of letting go, just remember that ant. Whoops, there goes another rubber tree. Whoops, there goes another rubber tree. Whoops, there goes another rubber tree plant. You know, folks, working hard for your dreams and goals is the only way to reach them, and nobody knows that better than our own Looney Bird, who's been working on a computer language for kids for years now, and he's almost done. Come on out here, Looney Bird, and tell us about it.
I ain't working on that anymore, Billy Bob. It's too hard.
Looney Bird, don't give me that. You've been working on this for years, trying to design a computer language that children can use, and what's the matter with you?
Well, I was sitting around in the jacuzzi with Rolf the other day, and he told me it couldn't be done.
Hey, I didn't say it couldn't be done, Billy Bob. I just said the Looney Bird couldn't do it.
Now, Rolf, that's not very nice.
Well, I'm not trying to be nice, just honest. It's a well-known fact that Looney Birds have never invented anything. And I merely suggested that he go back to something a little more natural to his species, like hunting nuts and berries in the forest.
Looney, high hopes. Keep your high hopes. Keep your high apple pie in the sky. Hopes are problems, just a toy balloon. They'll be bursting soon, soon they're gonna go pop. Whoops, there goes another problem, here plop.
There goes another problem, there,
There goes another problem, kerplop, kerplop.
Very inspiring, but I still quit.
Now, Luna, you can't quit on us. Think of all the kids that are dependent on you to come up with this computer language to allow them to use computers. And besides, think about your heroes, all the men and women you believed in, who never quit.
He got fired when he worked as a train boy for the railroad man.
And then he went to work as a telegraph clerk and got fired again.
His boss said he spent too much time doing stupid stuff. And then some crazy gadgets called the phonograph and the light bulb. He was a dreaming man, ain't no doubt. Y'all tell me who you think I'm talking about.
He was a dreamer. He was a dreamer. Held on to his dream through everything. Yes, and he worked no matter hardships stood in his way. It made me wanna play just this way. Work. She had this dream since she was just a little girl.
But time flew by and no one ever gave her a chance to try. He said a woman's place is in the home, but they ain't supposed to fly. Now can you guess who made those famous flights? Amelia Earhart. Right.
She was a dreamer. Held on to her dream through everything. Yes, and she worked no matter how hardships stood in her way. She made me wanna play just this way. Now work.
you, and we sure want you to try hard to complete your goals. It's better than hunting for nuts and berries.
I know, Billy Bob. I'm so ashamed. I listened to Rolf. I'm gonna go back to work, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna invent that computer language for kids. That's my dream.
You're a good bird, Looney. Well, Thomas Edison once said, inventing is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. And that means you gotta work to make your dreams come true. It's hard work, but it's fun. And you can't listen to guys like Rolf who don't got nothing to contribute but their negative comments. So